Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today in this video we are going to unbox one special product actually. Ta-da! Here you can see here's the Google Pixel 9a guys. Today we are going to unbox this smartphone only. And guys, actually this smartphone price is 50,000 rupees. Even you can buy this smartphone in Flipkart and all guys, it is available. And the smartphone has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. Plus this smartphone is powered by Tensor G4 chipset guys actually. And guys, let's come on now. First we will do the unboxing, later we will talk about the smartphone. Just come on, just first thing, now I'm going to unbox this guys. Okay, just we need to remove this. Just we need to remove this, that's it. Here you can see here's the smartphone. Actually take this out, and you can see the box size is very small guys actually. Okay, see, you need to tear here like this. But anyway, I remove this cover. It's good. Okay guys, let's come on. It's now time to take this box out. Yeah, you can see guys, here's the Google Pixel 9a smartphone. Actually it looks very stylish. Just first thing, we will check guys what are all the things they have given inside this box. Let's keep this smartphone aside and then take this out. Let's see what are all they have given. Let's see. Okay, this is the user manual. It seems it's not a user manual, with something safety and warranty regulatory guide. Okay, that's it. There's nothing inside. Okay, here one SIM injector tool they have given, SIM injector pin actually. Keep this aside, and okay, here's the cable guys. It seems a type C actually. It's a type C cable. Both the sides it's a type C, you can see. But there is no power adapter they are providing inside this box. They're just providing this cable only guys. Just we need to buy a power adapter separately. Okay, let's come on guys. Here's the phone. Just we need to take this out from this cover actually. Yeah, come on. Yeah, finally I removed. Here you can see here's the smartphone guys, Google Pixel 9a. Here you can see here's the Google logo actually, and there is a dual lenses there, camera lens actually. Guys, this camera is 48 MP and front camera is 12 MP, and it has a Tensor G4 chipset. This is official chipset from Google actually. And not only this guys, and it contains a 5100 mAh battery, plus it has a IP68 rating also is there for this smartphone actually. And the size is 6.2 inch actually. It's OLED display too actually, 6.2 inch actually. Okay, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB same as it is. And this design looks like a iPhone design actually guys. You can see this border is design I'm saying. But anyway, it's good, and it is very lightweight too guys. The smartphone is very stylish actually, Google Pixel, you can see it's good. And okay, let's come on guys. It's now time to power on this smartphone. You can see is the Google logo. It's good. Okay, Gemini logo is here. It looks very good. It's booting up actually. Pixel 9a Google. It's taking some time. Here, come on. Actually guys, we need to apply a screen protection. There is no scratch code is here. You can see we need to apply that first. Okay, anyway, here you can see here's the welcome to Pixel. Just click get started. Okay, I will do this setup and all later. Okay, just I'm going to skip this now. Okay, it's searching for Wi-Fi. Just skip this. I will connect this later. Okay, if you have SIM means we can insert the SIM also. There is a nano SIM type, plus there is a eSIM support is also there, guys. Just click to set up offline. Okay, continue. Okay, we need to set a date and time. It's not 31st December. No, date is April, May 19. Just click OK. Now time is 10. Now time is 10:05. See, it's not 11. 10:05. It's PM. Okay, just click OK and then click next. Okay, just I will do this thing later. Just keep on this. Okay, search. And here you can see, to view a limited warranty, select the country where you bought the device. The warranty is also about settings, about phone limited warranty. Okay, it's good. Just click next. Get peace of mind. Yeah, it's good. Just click next. Okay, swipe to navigate. Okay, yeah, I know this kind of navigation central, guys. Just even you can try this also. Here is the try option is there. Just anyway, I'm going to skip this. Okay, swipe up to go home. Swipe, I'm going to home. Yeah, here you can see, here's the home screen. Actually, it's good. You can see actually the phone is very smooth, guys. It's good actually, no issues. You can see it's all good. Phone is also very good, guys. Let's check the camera. You can see the clarity is also awesome, guys. Camera clarity, it's good. There's no issues. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or doubt, means just ask in the below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And do like and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. And okay, guys, bye. I will see you in next video.